Good everyone, we are the reporter of Lecture 31, Salvador Anlomano, Workplace Communication. Overview of key workplace communication formats and strategies. Learning outcomes. Create effective communication materials for the workplace. Present ideas persuasively using appropriate language and tone. Consider audience and context in communications. Reduce documents in workplace required formats. Purpose of communication. Communicate effectively in jobs. Use of business documents like minutes, memos, requests, and reports. Applicable across fields like healthcare, education, business, law, and media. Type of workplace communication: upward, from subordinates to superiors; lateral, among peers or same-level colleagues; downward, from superiors to subordinates; outward, to external audience like clients or the public. Effective writing techniques: clarify your purpose, inform, request, persuade. Know your audience, their roles and expectations. Use a professional and reader certain tone. Focus on solutions. Be positive and courteous. Minutes of the meeting. Summarize meeting discussions and decisions. Include attendees, motions, votes, and next steps. Must be accurate, objective, and legally valid, formal or informal based on meeting time. Memo writing, used for internal communication, short, direct, and includes header and message. Purposes: announcements, instructions, clarifications, reminders. Request letter writing, used for external communication. State purpose clearly and directly. Provide background and list specific requests. Be polite and professional. Short reports. Provide relevant information on a topic. Types: progress report, incident report, project proposal. Should include summary, purpose, findings, and conclusion. Sample progress report: track task, project progress over time, includes work completed, remaining, and problems. Ends with conclusion and recommendations. Sample incident report: describe incidents that cause harm or disruption. Includes names, job titles, location, timeline, outcomes. Used for legal, safety, or insurance purposes. Project proposal: summarize the issue and propose a solution. Explain feasibility and potential benefits. Include cost, resources, and timeline. End with a convincing conclusion. Sample play area proposal: proposed by a daycare supervisor to enhance outdoor play. Includes safety concerns. Budget: 16,350. unexpected benefits targeted at management for internal approval. Sample project proposal. Title: Installation of our outdoor play area. Summary: Proposal to install a fenced outdoor play area beside the company daycare. Problem: Current outdoor space is near a parking lot, posing safety risks. Solution: Install play equipment like slides, swing, climb set, picnic table, and secure fencing. Budget estimated: Play set 5,000, picnic table 1,000, surface sand 350, chain link fence 10,000, total of 16,350. Conclusion: Investment ensures child safety and supports employee satisfaction. That's all everyone. Thank you.